Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to see liked posts on Instagram in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to Instagram. After that we need to go to our account. And here we need to click on this button. After that, click your activity, and here you can click likes. And here you can find all liked posts on Instagram. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, put your like and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.